Hello everyone, in this video we'll discuss a program to input number from a user and check whether the given number is a strong number or not. First of all, what is a strong number? Strong number is a special number whose sum of factorial of digits is equal to the original number. For example, 145 is a strong number. In this case, 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is equal to 145. 1 factorial is 1 plus 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 24 plus 5 factorial is 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, that is 120. Now 1 plus 24, 25, 25 plus 120, 145. So in this case, sum of factorial of digits is equal to the original number. That's why 145 is a strong number. Let's see the code to check whether the given number is a strong number or not. First of all, inside the main function, declare one variable int num. Then after that, input a number from the user to check for a strong number. First of all, with the help of printf function, display the message onto the screen. Enter any number. With the help of scanf function, input the value of num. Then after that, declare one more variable n. N is a temporary variable for calculation. Now copy the original number in a variable n. N is equal to num. Value of num is copied into n. Then after that, initialize another variable to store sum of factorial of digits. That is, sum is equal to 0. Sum is a variable to store sum of factorial of digits. After that, find sum of factorial of digits. Apply the while loop. And put the condition. If the value of num is greater than 0, if this condition is true, then get last digits of a number, that is num. Declare one variable ld. ld is the variable to store the last digit of a number. Now ld is equal to num modulus 10. Then after that, find the factorial of last digit. Declare one more variable fact and initialize fact with 1. And declare one loop counter variable I. I is a loop counter variable. Then inside the body of while loop, put a for loop. For I is equal to 1 and I is less than equal to ld. And increase the value of I by 1. With the help of this loop, compute the factorial. Fact is equal to fact into I. Then after that add factorial to the sum variable. Sum is equal to sum plus fact. When this condition is evaluated to be false, then add factorial to the sum. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. Then closing curly braces indicates to the end of the while loop. Then after that check strong number condition. If sum is equal to n, if this condition is true, then printf %d is a strong number. %d display the value of n. If this condition is evaluated to be false, then else part is to be evaluated. Printf %d is a not strong number. %d display the value of n. Now run this code. After the execution of this code, first of all input any number. Input number is 145. 145 is a strong number. In this case 1 factorial plus 4 factorial plus 5 factorial is equal to 145. That's why 145 is a strong number. In this code, first of all input a number from the user to check for a strong number and store this number in a variable num. After that copy it to a temporary variable for calculation purpose, that is n is equal to num. Copy the value of num in n. After that initialize another variable to store sum of factorial of digits, that is sum is equal to 0. Then put the while condition and inside the while loop find the last digit of a given number and store the result in a variable ld. And after that find factorial of last digit. Again put a for loop. After that find the factorial of a last digit and store the factorial in variable fact. And then add the factorial to sum, that is sum is equal to sum plus fact. And then remove the last digit from number. That is num is equal to num divided by 10. And repeat all the steps till num is greater than 0. And after loop check condition for strong number. If sum is equal to n, then given number is a strong number, otherwise not. The input number is 145. First of all copy the value of num in n. The value of n is 145. Then check the while condition. 145 is greater than 0. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute the last digit. LD is equal to num modulus 10. 145 modulus 10. Result is modulus operator give us remainder. Result is 5. Then the value of fact is 1. For loop is to be executed. The value of I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute fact. Fact is equal to fact into I. Value of fact is 1 and value of I is also 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then I plus plus, I become 2. 2 is less than equal to 5. Again condition is evaluated to be true. then fact is equal to fact into I. The value of fact is 1 and value of I is 2. 1 into 2, 2. Then I plus I become 3. 3 is less than equal to 5. Again condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute fact. Fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 2 and I is 3. 3 into 2, 6. Then I plus I become 4. 4 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute fact. Fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 6 and I is 4. 6 into 4, 24. Then I plus I become 5. 5 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 24. 24 into 5. Result is 120. Then I plus I become 6. 6 is less than equal to 5. Condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the out of for loop. Sum is equal to sum plus fact. Sum is 0 plus fact is 120. 0 plus 120, result is 120. Then remove last digit from a number. Num is equal to num divided by 10. Num is 145. 145 divided by 10. 14. Again check the while condition. 14 is greater than 0. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute the last digit. 14 modulus 10. Modulus operator gives us remainder. The value of last digit is 4. Then fact is equal to 1. I is 1. Now after that check condition in a for loop. I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 4. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 1 and I is also 1. 1 into 1, 1. Then I plus I become 2. 2 is less than equal to 4. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then fact is equal to fact into I. Fact is 1, I is 2. 1 into 2, 2. I plus I become 3. 3 is less than equal to 4. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then fact is equal to fact into I. 3 into 2, 6. I plus I become 4. 4 is less than equal to 4. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then fact is equal to fact into I. 6 into 4, 24. I plus I become 5. 5 is less than equal to 4. Condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the out of for loop. Then sum is equal to sum plus fact. Now sum is 120 plus fact is 24. Now 120 plus 24, result is 144. Then remove the last digit from a number. 14 divided by 10, result is 1. The value of num is 1. 1 is greater than 0. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then 1 modulus 10. 1 modulus 10 is 1. The value of last digit is 1 now. Now check the condition in a for loop. I is 1. 1 is less than equal to 1. Condition is evaluated to be true. Then compute fact. Fact is equal to fact into I. 1 into 1, result is 1. I plus I become 2. 2 is less than equal to 1. Condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the out of loop. Sum is equal to sum plus fact. Sum is 144 and fact is 1. 144 plus 1, result is 145. Then num is equal to num divided by 10. Remove the last digit from a number. 1 divided by 10, result is 0. Again check the while condition. While 0 is greater than 0, condition is evaluated to be false. Then control transfer to the out of while loop. Then check the if condition. If the value of sum is equal to n, value of sum is 145, and 145 is equal to value of n, value of n is also 145. Condition is evaluated to be true, then printf 145 is a strong number. Now if user input a number 125, 125 is not a strong number. In this case, 1 factorial is 1, 2 factorial is 2, plus 5 factorial is 120. Result is 123. 123 is equal to 125. Condition is evaluated to be false. Then given number is not a strong number.